Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're telling the story of our planet and its cosmic companion.
Well, the answer involves a cosmic catastrophe that shaped the destiny of our world 4.5 billion years ago.
Scientists call this the giant impact hypothesis. Okay, so let's dive into what happened.
It all began with two young planets on a collision course, our own proto-Earth and an impactor named Theia.
So Theia hits Earth, ejecting a massive debris ring. Over time, gravity just pulls all that stuff together.
And this impact completely remade our planet. Earth's day was just 5 hours long, and its axis was super unstable. So how do we know this actually happened? The proof is in the rocks. They share a chemical signature with Earth.
And there's other evidence too, from the moon's tiny core to its unique orbital momentum. The key takeaway? This violent birth created a new, stable Earth, ready for its incredible journey.
And what a journey! You can see how this one event kicks off an immense timeline, from formation right up to today.
Get this, about 90% of Earth's entire history is packed into one single time period called the Precambrian. And during that time, land masses were constantly moving, forming giant supercontinents like Rodinia and, Pangaea.
So this all brings us back to the moon. Why was this collision actually so important for life here?
Well, the moon is basically a planetary anchor. It stabilizes our wobble, which gives us predictable seasons and tides.
That collision also supercharged Earth's core, and that created the magnetic shield protecting us from the sun.
All these factors combine to make Earth just right for life, in a way no other known planet is.
So it was a violent and frankly, a pretty lucky start. And that leaves us with a big question about our planet's future.